All right, first let's put it down, let them go for it.
Yeah, I would say they like it.
These guys love their watermelon.
So this is a good opportunity where you can feed them and be up close and look into their eyes and look at their beak, right? And they have what we call unaries. And so we saw this last week, but when they get sick, a lot of times, just like you get a runny nose, you'll wipe it. Birds can't really wipe their nose very effectively. So when they're pecking and foraging on the ground, it gets kind of dirty. So you'll see some kind of dirt build up on the nose. Or if their feathers are light enough, you can see that they'll wipe their face on their feathers. And so you'll get some dirt and stuff on their feathers. But yeah, it's a good opportunity to evaluate them close up.